Can we discuss some of the challenges in designing trials for children?
Yes. Designing trials for children is very different than designing trials in adults. The standard best in science are single drug trials and often randomized trials. So we're going to test this one drug in this patient population compared to a placebo. These trials need thousands of patients. And in adults, where there are tens of thousands of patients for each disease, it's possible to do those trials in a short amount of time. In children, pediatric cancers are rare diseases. For high-risk neuroblastoma, about 700 children in the US, but 400 will have high risk. And that's across the whole US. So to do a randomized clinical trial often takes over 10 years in pediatric cancers. And that really slows the pace of any advancements happening. So that brings a lot of struggles for us. We don't believe that children should be getting placebo. If a child has cancer, they need treatment. And also a single drug trial is best in science, but not best for children. So we want to design our clinical trials in ways that we can test medications by adding them to a standard of care. Combinations trials have been shown to have much greater efficacy, more responses, closer to the 30 to 50% of children responding versus the 10%. So we need to design our clinical trials in ways that we can combine with standard of care and have other ways to compare the outcomes to, and not necessarily looking at placebo-controlled trials.